everyone! I hope you're having a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different summer salads using some feta cheese. Now, the reason why I chose to make this video is because I don't know about you, but I always have so much food waste if I don't know how to use an ingredient, and this happens a lot when I use cheeses and produce. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these salads using the same little container of feta cheese and with some repeating ingredients, so ultimately you have less food waste and it doesn't go bad. I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure to like and comment. I hope you enjoy. The first salad is a watermelon feta salad. This one I would say is probably the most refreshing, and I've even had it for breakfast before. So the first thing that I do is I just chop up my watermelon. I use a whole watermelon, but you can also use store-bought. It's just whatever you really have on hand. And then I cut up, I would say, 1/4 of a cucumber into nice moon-sized pieces. And then I added my feta cheese. This one is by far the simplest recipe as it takes the least ingredients. And then I just added some white wine vinegar and then some pepper and then some salt. Stirring this all together. Because this salad's a lot chunkier, I did have to go in with my hands just because it's so chunky. And a spoon this small didn't really work with mixing it up. This salad is the perfect blend of both sweet and savory. And now on to my, I don't know, I'm calling this more of an Italian chopped salad situation because I don't really know what's going on, but there's just a whole bunch of good ingredients. So I first started off by chopping up some multicolored cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and then some of my mushrooms. I made sure to put them strategically over this bed of lettuce that I chopped before adding in my green onions. I'm going to be completely honest, this recipe has a whole bunch going on, but it's just really good, and it's a really way to use up all my different ingredients. But this honestly is the fun part. I cut up one small artichoke heart in half. Recently I've been really into all of these marinated veggies and everything, so the artichoke was a really nice addition to my salad. It adds a little bit of other color as well. And then I added some roasted red peppers. These were honestly really slimy, but they were ultimately really delicious, and I added them to the salad. And then we're on to my absolute favorite part, which is adding the sun-dried tomatoes. As you can see, they have a lot of oil, which I personally don't like, and I scrape them off. But this oil is really flavorful, so I actually ended up using this oil for my salad dressing later on in the video. But for now, I just removed these tomatoes, and then I just chopped them up kind of small. They're super flavorful, like I said, so you really don't need to use a lot of them. I only used maybe 3 small ones, and then I added them all to my salad. And then here is the 1/4 cup of feta cheese. And to dress the salad, I used 1 teaspoon of the oil at the bottom of this container. And then after that, I added 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. It adds a nice punch without it being a little bit too much. And then I just cracked in some pepper, and I added in a little bit of salt. And then I just stirred it together. Again, with every salad in this video that you'll see, I start off pretty, and then I just went in with my hands. I was just making the salad for myself, so don't worry, there weren't a lot of transfers of germs. And then this is what the salad looks like. It was super flavorful, and it's honestly my favorite one out of the bunch. The next salad is corn elote salad, which is in no way traditional, but I just took, I would say, 3/4 of a cup of frozen roasted corn. This is super easy, just to keep it in my freezer. And then I cut up the same little bits of cherry tomatoes and added them into my bowl. Then I cut up some green onions on the bias. I don't know, you could cut it the other way. Personally, I just always cut my green onions on the bias. It just seems so fancy to me. And after I cut that up, I cut a little bit of jalapeno up, of course without the seeds. But if you want it spicy, you can of course keep the seeds in. I just wanted to focus on adding some other flavors before making it too spicy. And then I also chopped up, I would say, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, making sure to get it really small. I then added these ingredients to a bowl with all my other salad stuff, And then I added 1 tablespoon of non-fat Chobani Greek yogurt. You could use sour cream, that probably would be better, but this is what I had on hand. And then I squeezed in 1 lime, and, well, I should say 1/2 of a lime, and then I added some chili powder just to taste. But I like to use more rather than less, and then I just added some salt and some pepper. And of course, then I added my feta cheese. I then just stirred everything up until it was nice and combined, of course going in with the hand again. And the salad, like the others, was super delicious, but it's really, really nice on like a really warm summer day. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found these recipes extremely useful. Please make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Have a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. Goodbye!